Away they go. Sexy Chick from the outside. Blitzkrieg on the further outside. Spirit Kim by Daryl moving up. Center number 2. Senor Elijah. Presidential number 1. Seal. My Lips taking the third spot. Senor Elijah, Sexy Chick fighting around for the lead. Seal My Lips is racing third alongside Spirit Kim Presidential. Blitzkrieg is racing 6 by Daryl, rushing up Mike Some Lady Wolf Run. And during the far turn, it's Sexy Chick, Senor Elijah, Spirit Kim, Seal My Lips, and on the outside, Presidential. Blitzkrieg is moving up by Daryl. It's Sexy Chick from the outside, Spirit Kim, Senor Elijah, and Blitzkrieg down on the inside, Seal My Lips, as they race the final corner. Sexy Chick, Blitzkrieg down on the inside, moves up to take the lead. It's now Blitzkrieg, Spirit Kim, Presidential. Sexy Chick down on the inside, Senor Elijah, Wolf Run. Blitzkrieg, Wolf Run, and on the outside, Spirit Kim. And nearing the finish line, number 4, Blitzkrieg, second. Close, Spirit Kim, Mike Some Lady, Presidential, Wolf Run, Sexy Chick.